Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Let's Crack OPSC. Hope all of your preparation going well and you are taking care of yourself as well as your family members. Do get vaccinated as the vaccination drive is going on. If vaccination drive is going in your area, help yourself as well as help the people around you. This is a good citizen's responsibility, and being a future bureaucrat, you are supposed to be doing this as a duty towards the society. So, well friends, today we will be doing a few CSAT class. In the last video, though you didn't reach the 100 likes, but still many people have emailed as well as do commented in that last video that I should continue. So here I am continuing this particular CSAT class. Before I start today's CSAT class, many of the new YouTube subscribers, for your knowledge, we have already started a prelim crash course which I started in 16th of March onwards. Within 2 months, we are totally covering the entire important portion of prelim syllabus, and we are taking all the classes like polity, history, geography, environment, economics, science and tech and current affairs. If you are interested, you can join our prelim crash course, and it will cost you 399 rupees per month. For 2 months it will cost you 799 rupees. If you are interested, then say hi, I am interested in your prelim crash course in my email address abishoi27@gmail.com. And for your information, we have already started a mock test series, and which we call it as Master Key test series. Yesterday I put 28 Master Key set number 28 in my WhatsApp group. If you are interested, you can join, and it will help you crack the prelim examination with the classes which I am conducting for CSAT. If you will combine all of the three, then you can easily prevail in the prelim examination. The mock test series will cost you 599 rupees. Same email address abishoi27@gmail.com. So today we will be doing the CSAT. The important portion of this particular thing is the present ages of a 3 persons are in the proportion 4, 7, 9. 8 years ago the sum of their ages was 56. Find their present ages. The question is this. The question is, you can see the ratio. The ratio is there, and 8 years ago, they are saying that 8 years ago the sum of their ages was 56. So find their present ages. We have to find the present ages. I will tell you two methods of solving this particular question. Very important. If you remember this two methods, you can easily click this particular question. See, there are options, but we will not go by options in the first method. Method 1. In method 1, what you have to do, see, 4, 7, 9. You can say 4x minus 8 plus 7x minus 8, then 9x minus 8 equal to 56. So how much you are getting? 24. 7 plus 4, 11 plus 9, 20. 20x equal to how much? 80. X equal to 80 by 20 equal to 4. So the answer is 4x equal to 4 into 4 equal to 16. Then 7x equal to 7 into 4 makes 28, then 9x. 9 into 4, that makes 36. So the answer is, you can see, the answer is C. The answer is C with this traditional method. This is the traditional method. First you take a particular thing, then as per the question you have to go by the question, that they are saying 4x, 7x and 9x, and try to solve it in equation format. After completion of this equation, then you will get the value of x. By value of x you can find out what is its present age, that is 4x, then 7x, then 9x, that is 16, 28 and 36. This is the traditional method, method number 1. Then method 2. This is trick method. What is the trick? Instead of going from the question, I will directly go from the option. What is the method number 2? Go directly from the option side. If you will directly go from the option side, you can easily crack this particular question without even doing all this. How? Let me say. This particular thing you see 4, 7 and 9. Means all the things has to be there in the ratio 4, 7 and 9. See, 4, it is not 7, it is not 9. So this cannot be the option. You eliminated this. Then coming to the next one. Next one, it is there in the ratio 4, it is 7 and it is 9. Means it can be our option. Here, look at here, 8, 20, 28. It cannot be the option. It cannot be the option. Then you come to these two options, either A or C. Either A you came to by eliminating two options, B and D you eliminated. So you came to the option number, either it can be option A, or it can be option C. These two options left with you. Now what you have to do, see this particular thing, that 20, 35, 45. And imagine this, see the thing here. By saying only, means the sum of the ages has to be previously 8 years ago, it should be, the sum should be 56. And now see this option. Can it be possible? You cannot, it cannot be possible, because see, it is 45. Even if you deduct minus 8, it comes 37. 37, if you deduct minus 27, it becomes 27. Here 12. It obviously crosses 56, more than 56. So this cannot be your option. Now you came to the option number C. Within 5 seconds you can do this. That requires you, it's a intelligent guess. It is called intelligent guessing, which is very much required in CSAT paper, which I am teaching you, is called intelligent guessing, which normal people have to follow the same traditional method like this, and other smart people, intelligent people, they will directly go from the option side. You eliminated this option, you eliminated this option, you eliminated this option by intelligent guessing. After intelligent guessing, then you reach the answer is C. So I hope the message is clear. The methods are two. One is you directly go from the question side, and second one you directly go from the answer side. In both the cases you reach the answer is C, that is 16, 28 and 36. 16, 28 and 36. So with this, now coming to the next one. In the following sentence, fill the blank with the appropriate word. They didn't know where they dash from. The question says, in the following sentence, fill the blank with the appropriate word. It is saying this. Now they didn't know where they dash from. Where they dash from. Is it A had come? Is it B have come? Is it C has come? Is it D only come? Look at here. They didn't know. Look at this. This is in simple past tense. When something like this happens, when a particular part of a particular sentence is in the simple past, the next part has to be in past perfect. Past perfect. So it has to be had come. Know where they had come. Know where they had come. That because you are putting, because the first part of the sentence is in simple past. The second part has to be past perfect. Then coming to the next one, in the following sentence, fill in the blank with appropriate phrase. The more electricity you use, dash. Your bill will be higher. Your bill will be higher. Second option, will your bill be higher? Will be higher your bill. Then last one is the higher your bill will be. Try to answer this question. The answer will be this, D. The more electricity you use, you can use it by simple common sense. Even by using simple common sense also you can answer this. The common sense is what? The more electricity you use, the higher your bill will be. If you will simply try to complete the sentence, the more electricity you use, the higher your bill will be. So by using simple, without knowing even a simple thing of English, many of the Odia medium students, by the way I am also saying the Odia medium student, in which you can say the 6th standard, our Odia English got introduced in the 6th standard. I am speaking so fluently because that kind of a effort that I have already put in. So nothing is beyond your reach. It is all there in your mental capacity. All that you have to do is your putting everyday effort, putting and trying to prove yourself. Then everything is within your reach. So this is what. So the more electricity you use, the higher your bill will be. This is the answer for this. So with this we came to the end of today's discussion. If you like this kind of a classes to go on, give a like, do share with your friends who are preparing for civil services. Tell them to subscribe. And if you are new to your channel, in this channel we are guiding for cracking OPSC civil services examination. Take care of yourself as well as your loved ones in this turbulent times. Do not speculate when the OPSC is going to conduct the examination. Focus on your studies. Do strengthen your optional. It is going to be very, very helpful. Thank you very much.